We back with another one, guys. 1964 Chevy Impala SS. She has the 327 cubic inch 5.3 liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed manual. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Mileage reads a little over 35,000. Paint is in driver quality condition. Interior is nice and clean. Let's check her out. She has front and rear disc brakes, exhaust cutouts. Let's check out that top. Check out the exhaust cutout. Driver side floor pan. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. Of course, she has bucket seats, console. Headliner. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. Check out that dash. Nice and clean. As y'all can see, mileage reads a little over 35,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 327 cubic inch 5.3 liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed manual. Power brakes and power steering. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. Don't miss out. Your dream car and truck is literally one call away, guys. She's running nice and strong. Thank y'all guys for watching. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.